I proceed to talk to you if I stay. Madam Lani, let's go! I hope you know, I hope you know that this is nothing to do with you. If it's personal, I feel that because it's written out to the Lord, and I'm gonna miss you. Every time you still wait there, I know you won't be gone. If it's hard to be, I'll bring you around. And the big girls go by like a little stupid. It's to be your way just to take a noise. I'll be your best friend and you'll be mine. Valentine. Yes, you can hold my hand if you want to. 'Cause I wanna hold yours too. We'll be playing some lovers and share our secret world every night. That's time for me to know. It's been a place dark outside. Need to feel the sun inside. Come on, ladies. Please, so ready to come on. I hope you know. I hope you know. It's nothing to do with you. It's myself, myself, because it's written down to the when I'm gonna miss you. Every time you still crazy, I come to you with my life. It's time to be. I'm free around. And please don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Uy, hindi ko labada yan. Marami akong labanan sa gagawin naman. Kailangan ko na maglabanan. Bukas. Grabe yun. Oo, tampak na yun yung labanin ko niyan. Pang page you. Ayan, palakpakan sa nag-request ako sa mga ginanapit sinabosbet. Pakahuli natin. Oo nga, ayan, hindi ka na boss. Yes. Boss, papahintay pag nakawang ka namin, dalhin yung wallet mo. Opo, dalhin niyo po yung lahat ng meron kayo ngayong gabi. Kahit bukod sa uy, boss, wag naman ganyan. Okay na yun, sige na. Makilusot na po. Pakipasok na po. Ano to? Dito po sa butas. Sa butas? Ay, butas. Kanina dilaw, naging violet na. Ano ba yan po? Ay, nako, after niyan, kailangan mas mataas na sa violet.